San Juan City Hall employee accuses Jinggoy Estrada of bullying. Ito ay article ng ABS-CBN News. San Juan City Hall employee Pia Hill has called Senator Jinggoy Estrada a bully, recounting a tense encounter between the two. So meron nga viral video, ewan kung ito yung dinedescribe dito sa news na ito, pero papanoorin natin yan mamaya. Hill, who served as a supervising and administrative officer under the office of the mayor, is the woman seen in confronting Estrada in a now viral video. So siya nga yung nasa viral video. So ito yung tungkol sa viral video na yon. Ito ang sabi ni Pia Hill sa isang interview ng ABS-CBN News. Kahit saan mo tingnan, bastos yung ginawa niya sa akin. Bully. According to her, the incident took place on April 18 outside. So April pa pala to. Outside the San Juan Gym Evacuation Center. She claimed that Estrada unexpectedly called out to her and she had no idea why. Ay, tinawag lang. Tama ba? O, ito sabi ni Pia Hill. Basta nakatalikod ako, then sumigaw siya sa akin ng, "Hoy, Pia Hill!" O, diba may acting? Gumanon siya ng talagang sigaw. Todo. So ako, tinignan ko lang siya pero naglakad ako pa rin palayo kasi ayaw ko ng encounter with him. Kasi nga, alam ko bully siya. So, hiniyawan pala itong si Pia Hill ni Jinggoy Estrada. Sinabi niya, "Hoy, Pia Hill!" Ano sabi niya? Hill recounted trembling with fear aware of Estrada's powerful background and the presence of several men with him, but she steeled herself to confront the situation. So, parang ewan ko. Hill said Estrada accused her of blocking his staff from entering the evacuation center. So, yun yung sinasabi ni... Yun pala yung accusation ni Estrada na hindi pinapapasok ni Hill si Estrada sa evacuation center. Ito ang sabi ni Hill. Inakusahan niya ako na kesyo hinaharang ko raw mga tao niya. Unang-una, I was never inside the evacuation center. Hindi yun trabaho ko, trabaho ng CSWD yun. According to her, Estrada knows her previous role as a barangay captain. She added she was there in an official capacity to verify the list of families affected by a recent fire. So, kaya nandun si Hill is para makuha yung listahan ng mga naapektuhan nung sunog. Nung time na yon. She had received reports of individuals who were not fire victims gaining entry to the center. Like Estrada? Hill further explained that Estrada arrived with several men, reportedly staff, to gather data on the fire victims, which the social workers could not provide due to the Data Privacy Act. So, sinasabi ni Hill na kaya daw nandun si Estrada para kumuha ng mga information, pero hindi siya pinayagan dahil ito ay paglabag sa Data Privacy Act. She said Estrada's group arrived after 9 p.m. well past the center's curfew and did not present any identification or coordinate with the local government unit or LGU. By that time, visitors were being asked to leave and lights were supposed to be off by 9:30 p.m. Ito ang sabi uli ni Hill. As a senator, he should know that hindi yung parang siya siga. O hindi yung para siyang siga. Nalaman ko lang yung incident before no encounter namin na pinagsisigawan niya yung mga staff doon. Kaya naman pala. Nung pumasok siya doon, wala rin siyang consideration sa privacy ng mga tao. Yung kapatid nga niya na senador, gumawa ng sulat sa LGU, nakipag-coordinate properly sa office. Hindi yung magpapapunta ka ng kung sino-sino sa evacuation center, mangingi ka ng data ng walang akamprop na tao niya yon. Hill denied any political motivation behind the video and insisted that she and her team did not release it. So, hindi si Pia Hill ang nag-release ng video. Okay, yun yung sinasabi niya dito. So, ito, yeah. Kung kami ang nag-video nun, di sana inilabas na namin yung kainitan ng nangyari. Marami pa din silang supporters doon, kaya matapang sila. Kaya naman pala. Kumbaga, lugar niya yun. Yun yung yun yung nangyari. Diyos ko naman! Sino ba kasi mga bobong bumoboto dito? So, sinasabi dito ni Pia Hill na kung sila yung nag-video, dapat nung April pa nilabas na nila yon. Pero hindi sila yung nag-video, kaya ngayon lang lumabas yung video. Estrada released a statement on Friday and claimed that the local officials obstructed his staff's efforts to coordinate his assistance to fire victims, forcing him to intervene personally. Wala nga kayong papeles! Gusto ko naman! Estrada said the video falsely portrays him as misusing his position and suggested its release was politically motivated. Lahat naman may motivasyon sa pag-upload ng video. Pero sa video na yon, makikita na dapat hindi ka naging senador. Ito ang video, hanapin natin. Jinggoy Estrada viral video. Ayoko sa TV Patrol galing. Ano tayo na ibang source? Wala ba? Wala. Wala bang YouTube Shorts? Sa X tayo maghanap. X. Search. Jinggoy Estrada. Jonggoy. Ba't Jonggoy yung nakalagay dito? Ayan, Jinggoy. Ito yung video. Nakita ko na. Paano urin? Ayaw mag full screen. Okay. Yon. Paano orin natin ang video mga kaibigan? So makita nyo, ayan. Kung makikita nyo, para may, ayun o, may baril na hawak yung isa. Ano, bully talaga oh. Ba't galit eh, no? Nakapagtaka, bakit may baril na hawak yung mga tao? Parang ginagamit talaga nila dito yung dahas.
Ayaw mo pasukin.
Ito yung tulong na parang labag pa sa loob niya. Ay, no, may hawak na baril! Putang ina! Bakit? Diyos ko naman. Ayun, yun yung video. So, ano masabi nyo na mga kaibigan? Comment down below. Ama na. Diyos ko naman.